Hello, I just want to go over how I would go about using this file in xTool Creative Space. As you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and bring this up a little closer. We have our blue text and we have our black lines. And as you can see, black lines here are under the cut. And then we'll go back to the blue lines and they're under score. So you can see the indication here if you select all your blue lines by clicking the blue dot at the bottom left-hand corner. That highlights all the blue text or blue lines. If you click on the black, it highlights all the black lines, leaving the blue. Now, let's say I want to get rid of all the blue text or blue lines because I don't want that to be scored. I'm just going to click the blue button at the bottom left-hand corner, and then I'm just going to hit the delete button. And as you can see, now we are left with the black lines, which is all for cutting. As you can see from the file, we have our front and our back panels here. That's a front, that's a back, or vice versa. We have our left panel as well as our right panel. These are the little slots for the ends to go into, which would be on these three ends here. Those would go at the bottom of our right and left and front and back, because this is our bottom panel. We have four little slats here. I'm just going to go ahead and ungroup this for a moment. We have our four little slats. These are designed, if you would like, for our front and back to glue. So let's say you're going to assemble this. I'll go ahead and scroll in here. You would take these pieces here that are cut, and then you would assemble them on the ends of the front and back. It's not necessary. It just makes it a little bit nicer for you when you want to assemble the centerpiece here that would hold the craft paint bottles. So let's go ahead and recap. We have our cut lines now. I'm using a xTool PS2 and I'm running it at 40% power and my speed is at 16 millimeters a second. I'm only doing one pass. There's no other fancy things that I do here. As you can see, I am using my auto panning for processing, and that's it. I hope this is helpful to you. I look forward to seeing what you create with this, and I hope you have a very wonderful day.